Where is the edge of space? Most would agree this is where the atmosphere ends. Problem with this? There is no thin line between the atmosphere and space. The atmosphere gradually becomes less dense as you go higher. This is a subject that even scientists don't agree on. So it was decided that space begins at 100 kilometers or 62 miles above sea level. This is what is known as the Kármán line. This was the altitude that was decided by the FAI, or Federation Aeronautics International. I translate to English because French hurts me. This idea was originally proposed by Theodore von Kármán, based on his reasoning that the highest any aircraft could fly was 83 kilometers or 52 miles. So the line was established at 100 kilometers as more of a legal move. This helps in defining an aeroplane versus a spaceship. Also, this limit is not part of the international law, but most legal organizations accept this limit. This has also helped out to define an astronaut. To be considered an astronaut, a person must fly above the Kármán line. So William Shatner is now considered an astronaut because he went to 106 kilometers. Can't have Captain Kirk not being astronaut. Anyway, satellites flying at this altitude will often have their orbits decay before a single orbit. And even though we established this line at 100 kilometers, the International Space Station still encounters atmospheric drag even at 413 kilometers. So, do we know when the atmosphere is actually gone? Well, according to some, it is around 400 miles or 643 kilometers. So, the IS is still technically inside the atmosphere. Because of this, the International Space Station must increase its altitude every few months using supply ship thrusters. Anyway, I for one wish that space was like the line between the ocean and the air. It would be really neat if we could have a four corners type thing with the atmosphere. And if you ever want to see another one of my complaint videos, remember to ring that bell.